Hello, we are starting second part of our video lesson advanced brick building. I was a little bit lucky on my fifth shot. Managed to cannon only one red and 2 millimeters away from being out of position because I could easily snooker myself. Sixth shot, simple follow shot, I leave cue ball higher black ball spot. Try to leave as many options as possible. It is very difficult to be precise all the time, even for the professionals. More options will make your cue ball control easier and you will make bigger breaks. On my 7th shot, I'm playing position for the 2 reds using stunt shot. Simple follow shot, little bit higher cue ball center. Make sure to leave cue ball higher black spot after the shot. It will make position for other reds easier. I was a little bit lower than I expected on this black ball. So on this shot, I need to use 2 cushions and lots of topspin to leave myself good position for the next red. Nice and smooth cue action will make you to play this type of shot well. Ninth shot was well played and right now I have easy shot for the next red. This time, make sure that the cue ball should be higher than blue ball spot. If the cue ball lands lower blue ball spot, you will have big problems to continue break. The most important thing in this shot is to make position for the red, which is closest to the pink. This red will open another red and will make break much easier. Slightly below cue ball center, stunt shot. Topspin shot using 1 cushion. In this situation, try to leave cue ball higher than black spot. Sometimes it's better to use 2 cushions positional play than 1 cushion. With 2 cushions, you can play with more pace and better cue ball control. Play lots of topspin and cannon the red and make position for the pink ball. Watch third part. If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.